kept searching for.
Whether you're looking for a beachside retreat, a mountain escape, or a theme park paradise, we've got you covered. Imagine your family enjoying thrilling water parks, exploring stunning national parks, and indulging in mouth-watering dining experiences. These resorts have it all, from luxurious accommodations to exciting outdoor adventures. They've thought of everything to make your family vacation truly unforgettable. Join us as we explore some family-friendly resorts in the USA. Number 10. Kalahari Resorts. With locations in Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, and Wisconsin, this is a prominent family-friendly resort chain known for its impressive African-themed water parks, luxurious accommodations, and a wide range of entertainment options. The main highlight of the resort is its expansive indoor water parks, which are among the largest in the country. These water parks are inspired by the spirit of Africa, featuring thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, wave pools, and interactive play areas suitable for all ages. Some locations also offer outdoor water park areas for guests to enjoy during the warmer months. The resort also offers arcade game rooms, bowling alleys, mini golf courses, escape rooms, virtual reality experiences, indoor rope courses, laser tag, zip lines, and more. Along with the water park and various activities, the resorts often host live entertainment shows, character appearances, interactive experiences, and special events, ensuring that guests are constantly engaged and entertained during their stay. Number 9. Nemacolin Woodlands Resort. Located in the Laurel Highlands of southwestern Pennsylvania, this is a luxurious and expansive resort. One of the standout features of the resort is its world-class accommodations. The resort has a variety of lodging options ranging from elegant rooms and suites to private luxury homes and even a boutique hotel. The resort is known for its exceptional golf courses, which provide a challenging and picturesque settings for golf enthusiasts of all skill levels. Guests can also explore miles of scenic hiking and biking trails, go fishing in one of the stocked lakes or streams, or take part in guided activities like ziplining, off-roading, and even dog sledding during the winter months. The resort also has an adventure center with mini golf, a rock climbing wall, and rope courses. It also features an on-site wildlife sanctuary, offering opportunities for educational and interactive experiences with animals. Number 8. Under Canvas Great Smoky Mountains. This is a remarkable glamping destination situated near Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, providing guests with a luxurious and immersive outdoor experience in close proximity to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The campsite offers a selection of safari-inspired tents that are elegantly furnished to ensure a comfortable and memorable stay. It also offers various activities such as guided hikes, trivia or movie nights, yoga sessions, and live music performances. One of the major highlights of this destination is its strategic location near the entrance of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. This allows guests to easily access and explore the park's stunning natural beauty, including its lush forest and abundant wildlife. Under Canvas Great Smoky Mountains operates as a seasonal property, typically open from spring through late November, allowing guests to experience the best of the region's weather and natural beauty during the prime months. Number 7. Whiteface Lodge. This luxurious retreat is located on Lake Placid in upstate New York. The lodge provides an exceptional experience throughout the year, allowing guests to engage in a variety of outdoor activities and enjoy the surrounding natural beauty. During the warmer months, visitors can take part in hiking, boating, biking, and rock climbing. The lodge provides ample opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts to explore the wilderness and indulge in thrilling adventures. It also offers additional amenities to enhance the guest experience. There's a catch-and-release fishing pond available on site, providing a tranquil setting for those who enjoy the art of fishing. Additionally, the lodge has a 56-seat movie theater that shows 3 films daily, offering a cozy and entertaining atmosphere for relaxation and enjoyment. Number 6. The Woodlands Resort. Located a mere 30 miles from Houston, this resort is nestled among 28,000 acres of pristine forest and scenic landscapes, and it's known for its remarkable water park. Families will be delighted by the Forest Oasis Water Park and Lazy River, an enticing year-round attraction featuring an array of amenities. The water park has thrilling water slides and an activity pool, complete with underwater music and other enjoyable features. The resort also has a championship golf course for golf enthusiasts. For those seeking relaxation, the resort offers a luxurious spa where guests can indulge in rejuvenating treatments and therapies. The expansive grounds of the resort also provides ample space for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and nature walks. Fun fact! Did you know that traveling with your family can strengthen your bonds and create lasting memories? Oh yes! Studies have shown that shared experiences such as family vacations help to build stronger relationships and enhance communication within the family unit. Whether it's exploring new destinations, trying new activities together, or simply spending quality time away from the daily routine, family travel can foster a sense of adventure, create cherished moments, and deepen the connections between family members. Enjoying our content? Then don't hesitate. Subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when we take flight. Number 5. Mohonk Mountain House. Situated on the Shawangunk Ridge, Mohonk Mountain House is a historic and picturesque resort located in New Paltz, New York. The resort is housed in a Victorian castle-like structure that dates back to 1869. It has been carefully preserved and maintained, allowing guests to experience a sense of timeless grandeur while enjoying modern amenities and comforts. Guests can enjoy swimming in the outdoor heated mineral pool, playing tennis, paddleboarding, archery, or participating in guided nature walks. The resort also offers programs and activities for children, ensuring that guests of all ages have a memorable and enjoyable stay. It also implements eco-friendly practices and offers educational programs that focuses on the preservation of nature and the local ecosystem. Number 4. Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. This resort, located in Oahu, Hawaii, is designed to cater to multi-generational travel and offers spacious villas capable of accommodating up to 12 guests. With a plethora of activities and entertainment suitable for all ages, this resort ensures that everyone has a joyful experience. Guests can explore the crystalline waters of Hawaii through snorkeling, either in the resort's private lagoon or the nearby ocean. For younger visitors, the Splash Zone provides a playful water area designed just for them. Additionally, guests of all ages can enjoy leisurely hours cruising along the Wakaholi Stream, Aulani's version of a lazy river. Number 3. Great Wolf Lodge. This is a popular chain of indoor water park resorts located in various locations across the U.S. It is known for providing a family-friendly atmosphere and a wide range of amenities and activities for guests of all ages. One of the main highlights of the Great Wolf Lodge is its indoor water park. These water parks feature a variety of thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, wave pools, and interactive play areas, suitable for both children and adults. In addition to the water parks, guests can also enjoy arcade game rooms, mini golf courses, rope courses, laser tag, Magic Quest, interactive adventures, and much more. Overall, Great Wolf Lodge is a popular choice for families seeking a fun-filled vacation. Number 2. Larchmont Cottages. Located on the picturesque north shore of Lake Superior, this resort is an excellent destination for families looking for a peaceful and scenic retreat. The resort's beautiful natural setting provides a serene backdrop for outdoor activities and family adventures. Children can build sandcastles on the beach, explore nature trails, go biking, or play outdoor games. The resort also offers family-friendly amenities such as an outdoor heated pool, fire pits for cozy gatherings, and opportunities for making s'mores. Families can also enjoy indoor entertainment with board games and movie nights. Additionally, Larchmont Cottages is conveniently located near attractions like state parks, waterfalls, and scenic drives along the North Shore, providing opportunities for further exploration and outdoor adventures. Number 1. The Winnetou Oceanside Resort. A family getaway to Martha's Vineyard is an experience that tops many travelers' wish list, and this resort is the ideal place to stay. The resort is in a prime location near the beautiful South Beach, allowing guests to easily access the sandy shores and indulge in sunbathing, swimming, and beachside relaxation. The resort offers a plethora of activities and programs tailored specifically for children, ensuring that young guests have a memorable and enjoyable vacation. The Kids Club provides supervised activities, crafts, and games, keeping children entertained and engaged. The resort also offers a variety of sport facilities, including tennis courts and a fitness center. providing options for active recreation for guests of all ages. It features several restaurants and dining options ranging from casual eateries to fine dining establishments. Guests can savor a wide array of cuisines, including fresh seafood, locally sourced ingredients, and seasonal specialties. And there you have it, 10 US resort suggestions for families. Which one will you be visiting? Leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel content. Until next time, safe travels.